know my customer, my passengers them. So I pick up a man, him high color, like a brown man. You know them man they from like St. Elizabeth there in Southfield. Something like that. Dress up very nice and have a suit, like a briefcase in him hand. So pay him fair, hold him seat. So he was the last person was supposed to drop off and things. So what happened is that, him asked me where is Webster Memorial. So me say I'm not going that direction, because me are the opposite side of Webster Memorial. So I directed him to Webster Memorial, which is off a halfway tree road, right beside the Lime. Yeah, the Lime head office. Cable and wireless head office. So, basically him have the profile, fit a profile like a Christian and so I said, so you're a Christian man? And him said, don't answer, him not answer. But him look round for me. You understand? Because him sit down on the seat across from me. I drive, look round for me, and him said I'm on fasting. And him sound kind of aggressive, so I'm not really too pry. So I said, you're going to Webster Memorial, what is it about, and him said, I am on fasting. So me no bother prolong. As me know say when sometimes people on fasting, them not really talk. So about a minute or two after me asking the question there, the man reply was, I am fasting to break up marriages and to make men least in the household so that the church will not function. I said, what did you say, brother? The man said, I am on fasting to break up marriages, to make men least in the household so that the church will not function. And brothers like me with different plans and aims will be meeting at Webster Memorial today, this morning. You hear me? I say, General, them thing here, the thing hit me. I don't know. But the thing hit me, so till me I tell you say, it come like say, it's a dream, me a dream. Me let off the man. Me let off the man and it's like say, me in a trance. Cause me can't believe what me just hear. You get me? So me did I talk to a living, breathing demon. And not even know. Father God, help my discerning. Help my discerning. Open up my eyes and help me to live right so me can detect these things. God up a heaven know, brethren.